and Forest Park and Art Hill look like now. Now I'm going to fade back into 1904, and you'll see what the Art Museum is the only building that's standing now, but these are the buildings that were around it. Okay, so you can see the Art Museum in the center, Festival Hall on the left going down Art Hill, and the old city of Jerusalem down the hill where and I'll go back and you can see while I'm doing this where the golf course is now. See, there's the golf course. Now we're going to go back and you'll see the old city of Jerusalem appear where it was back in 1904. And Festival Hall on the top of Art Hill. And let's keep going back a little bit. You can see how the Art Museum was dwarfed by that gigantic Festival Hall. And Festival Hall had the world's largest organ in it. Let's do this a couple more times. Give you the idea. Here we are now, where the golf course is. Down below you can see now there's trails and things of that kind. But as we go back in time, we can see the remarkable experiences that the fairgoers had when they walked out the front door of the Art Museum. They saw Festival Hall right across that driveway, the street, and then walking down the hill they saw the old city of Jerusalem.